Got a minute? Let's talk about home inventories. Having a detailed home inventory is important if you ever need to make an insurance claim. Not having one could delay your claim. Most insurance companies will want a record of your lost or damaged items before they're going to pay you for that claim. Many companies have apps or online forms to help you make a home inventory, or you can make one on your own using a phone or camera to take pictures or video of each room in your home. Make sure to open closets and drawers to record what's inside. Also make note of any serial numbers for valuable items like appliances or electronics. And don't forget the garage or shed. Make note of tools, lawn equipment, and sports gear. Store your inventory away from home with a family member or a trusted friend, or just keep it online in cloud storage or email. Make it a habit to update the list every year or whenever you make a big purchase. To get answers to your insurance questions or to check an agent or company's license, call our helpline or visit the TDI website.